one of my favorite ones. Doesn't mind to dab on all the haters. There's definitely a time and place to dab on the haters. What's up, DIY babes, and happy Wednesday! So I just finished filming one of my most requested collabs ever with
What's up?
the original, the OG, the real Con team.
Oh yeah.
Wait, is this new merch or is this merch out?
No, it was a flash sale.
Oh, it was a flash sale, got it.
So
we don't have it, it's gone.
If you don't have it, it's gone. But we do have stuff on the website though.
Got it. Plug. Got it. So we just finished filming a DIY challenge that will be up when you're watching this in 3 or 4 days on Sun DIY. I'm so excited. I feel like you guys have been asking us to collab for so long and it's finally happening.
That's such a clever Sun DIY.
Sun DIY. Yeah, Sun DIY. Hashtag Sun DIY. Gabe has taught me all of the trendy dances. Wait, can I get like the repertoire of all the dances? No, I don't want to do it. No, do you want to do it?
Well, I don't know if it's actually trendy. It's just the ones that I do.
Got it. But I feel like you know all the trendy ones. Okay, let me see. Give me all of them.
Well, I did this.
So I learned how to,
But that's like a quan combined with a jab.
Hit the quan.
And then now she thinks I dance.
No, let me see all of them. You did like a crazy, yeah. Wait, that's the shoot, right?
I don't know.
I think it's the shoot.
And I see it online.
Right.
He just does it all at once. Like he does all of them.
That's me. You like bang out all of them and like,
Yeah.
yep. Oh, wow. Oh my God, are we on Vine again? What's happening? I am so excited for you guys to see the DIY challenge. So that'll be out super soon and it's super fun and super cute and I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys and happy Friday. So I have just been on a collab roll basically. Yesterday I was on set with Mr. Kate and Joey for their design versus design episode 2, coming out I think at the end of January. So I didn't end up vlogging obviously because I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I'm so excited for you guys to see that episode. And right now, oh my gosh, you guys don't even know. This is actually the first time I've ever talked about it, but Moose is launching his own doggy t-shirt line and it's ridiculous. We've been designing these shirts and getting the sizes right and stuff for the last like 8 months to a year. And so they're finally on Amazon and there's tentatively a few actual retailers that they're gonna be in stores at, so stay tuned for that. But for sure on Amazon, you can get them all right now and I'm so excited to see your pupperoonies in Moose's new t-shirt line. They're so cute. So Matt and I are shooting some photos right now for my Instagram and Moose's Instagram, some promo photos. So we are legitimately doing a Moose photo shoot. Moose, you're being put to work right now. Also, I don't know if anyone else's dogs do this, but whenever Moose gets a t-shirt or like any kind of clothing put on him, he just freezes for like a solid 15 minutes and just stands there. Kind of what he's doing right now. Moose! Look at your t-shirt! It says fur baby! You look so angry! You look so cute! So Moose has just like the weirdest body shape because his chest is so big, but then like obviously his tummy can't fill out the entire thing. But I mean, if you're not a bull terrier, the fit is very standard to the rest of like doggy sizes. But Moose just has size issues because you got a big strong chest. Are you angry at me, Moose? Are you angry? Angry and sleepy? Oh, okay. Moose, you're such a model. You're such a model. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. We've got eat, sleep, treat, repeat. Is that your life motto, Moose? Guys, also, if you're ever wondering, Moose is just so naturally photogenic. He literally just like sits here and chills. Like there was no, you know, forcing him to do anything. He's just chilling, straight chilling. Also, Moose is wearing a medium. Oh, Moose, your neck rolls are coming out a little bit, but I think the large is a little too big. Oh, Moose, you look so cute! Na. Pop Squad! Popcorn 93! Moose, are we wearing matching merch right now? Are we?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Just don't leave me hanging like that? Moose, what the heck, dog? I've got my DIY squad hoodie on and Moose got his pup squad hoodie on. Moose! Has no patience for me right now after I just put him in so many shirts. Moose, it was 3 shirts. It's totally fine. You're fine. You looked great. Nothing to be self-conscious about. Pup squad! I wish I had a mirror so you could see the back of mine, but this is like the original camo DIY squad hoodie. Pup squad, DIY squad. Pup squad, DIY squad. Also, if you have this sweater, I'm pretty sure it's a necessity to get the matching Pup Squad dog sweater. I'm pretty sure. Moose! Moose! Hey Moose, hey Moose, hey Moose, hey Moose, 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 hey Moose, hey Moose. Moose, are you looking yourself in the mirror? He totally is. Look at him. It's you, Moose! It's just you. Even though you're not looking at me and not giving me any of your attention, it's totally fine and I'm not hurt by it, but I just want you to know that you did great. You looked amazing and I'm so proud of all your accomplishments, of your pup squad and your eat, sleep, treat, repeat. And there are still treats in my pocket and that's what he's going for. You did great, Mios. You looked great and I can't wait to see all the other pup squad dogs in their doggy t-shirts. Also, I feel like these could also be for cats. So if you have cats too, let me know if these fit your cats. But Moose is wearing a medium. It's a little snug, but the large is a little bit big. He'd be like a medium and a half, but the medium is like, it's working out good, Moose. You look dapper. I have kind of taken the weekend off because I got sick at the end of last week, but it's just a cold, so I'm just trekking through and trying to continue on normal life as is. So a few days ago on Instagram, I asked you guys to leave me some assumptions that y'all had about me. It's been a video that's been going around. Aspen just did it. I think Aspen's sister just did it. So the rest of the video, I'm going to be addressing or reacting or answering assumptions that y'all have about me. Okay, so I have chosen some of my favorite assumptions. Let's just do it. I can't decide if this is gonna be like a tea-filled video. I guess we'll see when we get there. Okay, so the first assumption is that I donate. And this is absolutely true. I've just always chosen to kind of do this offline and not make it a part of my online content. So anytime I have extra clothes or even houseware, there's a specific women's shelter in downtown LA that I take all of my stuff to. You're not as happy as you make it seem on your channel. And this is one of the most popular or most frequent assumptions that I got into my inbox. I think I totally understand this question 100% because online I'm just like so happy all the time, super enthusiastic, I talk fast, I'm always smiling. To be completely honest, like what you see online is kind of what you get in person as well. I always say that like my resting face is happy. Like some people have like resting faces or just like very resting neutral faces, but I feel like my neutral is a little bit happier than the average person, which I'm so thankful for. I love my disposition and I think it's, you know, I think it's a gift. I find happiness in almost every situation and I'm just a naturally smiley person. I feel like that's kind of annoying that I'm just like, yes, I'm also super happy in person. But I mean, I'm also human and I have bad days. You know, I struggle with, you know, being sad or being jealous or being, I don't know, all the emotions that any human feels. I also feel those emotions. I would say that I don't typically vlog on those days. And I mean, you guys definitely have seen days where I'm super anxious or I'm sad or I'm upset or, you know, the regular emotions. I've shared that with everyone online. And yeah, I guess the answer is that like kind of what you see on camera is pretty much what you get in person. Just maybe a wider variety of emotions in person, obviously because I am human. That you do your DIYs in one take, and that is absolutely true. I feel like it would just be a waste of supplies and time for me to try and do something beforehand and then have 2 copies of it. I definitely sometimes prep things for the sake of being able to speed up the process of filming. So if there's just say like 6 beads that need to be strung on beforehand, I might do that off camera, but I definitely only do a project one time. And I feel like I've turned that into entertainment. So that one Christmas hacks video where literally nothing went right, I kind of just go with the flow and show you guys when things don't work out. In reality, you hate bright colors and glittery things. False. Take a look behind you as like the lights are glittering and shining and it's just like a spew of color. I love color. I love glittery things. I would say every other time I get my nails done, I have glitter. Right now it's just like a, it's not taupe color. This is like a mauvey, light purpley gray color on my nails right now. But no, I love color. I love holographic. I love glittery things. And yeah, that's a super true part of me that also is online. You have OCD, but are also incredibly messy at the same time. Okay, so this one is so interesting because I never thought of myself in this light until I read this assumption and I was like, oh my god, this is so accurate. I definitely struggle with OCD in some elements of my life, but I'm also like a creatively messy person. So like this DIY room right now off camera is an absolute disaster. My closet, usually disaster. Yeah, it's such a weird balance of like having OCD in some aspects and elements, but also it not pertaining to being clean, because I feel like that's a really popular thing. honestly, this one is blowing my mind. Literally blowing my mind because of how accurate it is and how I've never thought about it like this. This is one of my favorite ones. Doesn't mind to dab on all the haters. I think in the past year specifically, after recent events, I actually kind of had a change of heart after watching my friend Jen's video, Jen M, and she said something along the lines of silence is also a response and it's also a reaction, and silence is a statement in itself. So I've just, you know, tried to find the balance between speaking up for myself and setting something straight if there's some crazy rumor about me, because silence in itself, I guess, is kind of an answer. So yes, I don't mind to dab on the haters when it's appropriate, but there's definitely a time and place to dab on the haters. You are getting tired of people asking you about Alex. I am. I assume that you and the Asian Girl Squad have split apart, and this is absolutely not true, and in 45 minutes Mia should be arriving to my house so that we can go boxing with Remy and Tiff and then grab lunch. Yeah, we're actually hanging out today after I finish filming this video. I think in the last year we've all kind of found new paths and new interests, and I mean, Tiff's in a new relationship and stuff, so we've definitely all found new passions and interests, but we always come back together, and you know, when big things happen, we're all there for each other. And to be completely honest, Asian Girl Squad is such a core group of friends that's so strong, and we don't feel the need to see each other every single day or even every single week, but I know if something happens that they have my back. Oh, okay, so you're good at moving on from relationships. So, okay, here we go. I feel like throughout all of my relationships, and I've been in 3 serious ones, like 3 real ones, I've always known kind of when to find the strength to close that chapter and move on to the next one. I have this habit in life where I give so much of myself, and probably too much of myself, to everything that I do, even if I know that it's maybe not what is making me happy, or that it might not work out in the long term. So I spend so much time giving everything, but I think what happens is that by the time I am ready to move on, I've already exhausted myself and given 110% to the very end. So it's not too hard for me to mourn something that I know I'd give a full effort to, if that makes sense. And I don't know if there's a lesson or advice somewhere in that answer for other people going through breakups, but I've always exhausted every option of trying to make something work until the very end, just so I know that I'll never have any regrets looking back on it. You get really nervous and scared over small things, but big things you power through. Oh my god, if this ain't the freaking truth. Yeah, this is so accurate. I get so nervous over like a day of going to Disneyland. You know, I get really anxious about like being in big crowds like that, or like getting sick and like maybe ruining someone else's day out. But I can go up on stage in front of 10,000 people and give a 10-minute speech. Like that seems like nothing to me, but it's the small things that keep me awake at night. You're frugal even though you make a good living from YouTube. Holy crap, if that ain't the truth too. You guys know me so well, it's insane. As I say this wearing a Balenciaga hoodie, I was gifted this by The RealReal, the brand that I just worked with that does designer stuff at discounted prices. But yeah, I still shop at Forever 21, and I think I always will. No matter how much money I make, I definitely spend money on things that I value. So obviously buying this house was an investment that I wanted to make for the future. Buying, you know, a car that was a little bit bigger and a better fit for my lifestyle. But for the most part, I really don't spend money on anything crazy. I'm not cheap, but I'm frugal. So I mean, if you Google the difference, it's like very accurate what the word frugal means and how it pertains to me. Ooh, this one's interesting. Okay, so you've never had an hourly job. I've scooped ice cream for 2 years. I worked at a grocery store for 4 years. I taught music to kids for 4 years as well. I've been a server for 2 years, a hostess for another year. I have worked a slew of hourly jobs. Oh, I worked at like a media company as well for a summer. I have worked so many hourly jobs. I have worked with the general public. I know what the real world is like, girl. I really, really do. Okay, so last one, because I think this assumption is super cute. You are a one doggo at a time kind of girl, and that is super true. I feel like every time I do a Q&A, everyone's always asking when I'm gonna get another dog. I don't know. I think I really am just like a one dog type of person, because dogs are, you know, a commitment in time and effort, and I want to be able to give Moose the best life that I can, while also still balancing my own life, because obviously I have to work and I can't, you know, be playing with him 24 hours a day. So I think I am a one doggo at a time kind of girl. Okay, I'm gonna go hang with Asian Girl Squad. We're gonna box, get brunch, go to Remy's office, and I think I will vlog a little bit because it's been a long time. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Asian Girl Squad is here! And everyone, I look like an egg. leg that broke the record.
Are you kidding me? You let her ride over.
Okay, so we just finished Rumble and Tiff and Mia, you liked it?
I want to go again. Can we do it like a weekly thing?
Yeah. Oh my, I'm addicted. I like live at Rumble now. So anyway, they liked it, and now we're at Toast having brunchies. Everyone got something healthy, but except for me. I got tri-berry pancakes. Toph got a salmon platter. Mia, my queen back from Bali in Thailand, got a hummus platter. And Rem got something super healthy that's just not here yet. A wrap with like lots of things not on it. Ooh, to healthy. Oh, that's me. Thank you. Thank you so much. So delicious. Now, action. Content, baby. Content. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Make sure to go shop the new Moosie LAUR doggy apparel, whatever you want to call it. I feel like we probably should have given it an official name. So if you have a good name that you guys think is cute and fitting for the line, let me know in the comments down below. I'll also have the links to shop the line on Amazon and Bed Bath & Beyond online. And if you haven't seen last Sunday, DIY, I'll also have that linked in the down bar below. And I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sunday DIY again with another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the